Hello, food lovers. Today, we're diving into the delightful world of Bengali cuisine to master the art of making the perfect luchi. Those irresistible, fluffy, and soft puffed up breads. These are the ultimate companions for your aloo dum or collar dal. Let's get started. First, gather your ingredients. You'll need all-purpose flour, also known as maida, a touch of salt, a teaspoon of sugar, and, most importantly, some warm water. The warmth is key to activating the gluten, which is crucial for the fluffiness. You'll also need oil for deep frying. In a large bowl, sift the maida. This removes any lumps and ensures a light texture. Add the salt and sugar. Mix these dry ingredients well to distribute them evenly. Now, gradually add the warm water. Start with a little and mix with your fingertips. You want to bring the dough together gently. The goal is to create a soft, pliable dough. Be careful not to add too much water at once, or the dough will become sticky. Knead the dough for at least 5 minutes. This kneading develops the gluten, helping the luchi to puff up. The dough should be smooth and elastic, not too tight or too loose. Once the dough is ready, cover it with a damp cloth or plastic wrap. This prevents it from drying out. Let it rest for at least 30 minutes. Resting allows the gluten to relax, which makes the luchi even fluffier. You can even let it rest for an hour or two. After resting, lightly dust your work surface with some flour. Gently punch down the dough and knead it for a minute or two. Then, roll the dough into a long log. Cut the log into equal-sized portions. These will be your luchi. Roll each portion into a small, round disc. The thickness is important. Aim for about 18-inch thick. If the luchi is too thick, it won't puff up properly. If it's too thin, it might become crispy instead of soft. Now, it's time for the magic. Heat your oil in a deep pan or wok. The oil should be hot enough to fry. Test it by dropping in a small piece of dough. If it sizzles and rises to the surface immediately, the oil is ready. Gently slide a luchi into the hot oil. It should sink a little and then quickly rise to the surface. Immediately, gently press down on the luchi with a slotted spoon. This helps it to puff up. Flip the luchi over after a few seconds. Fry until both sides are golden brown and puffed up. Remove the luchi with a slotted spoon and drain the excess oil. Repeat this process with the remaining luchi. Make sure not to overcrowd the pan. Fry only a few luchi at a time. Serve your freshly made, fluffy luchi hot with aloo dum or collar dal. Enjoy! For extra tips, make sure the oil is hot enough. If the oil isn't hot enough, the luchi won't puff up. Don't overcrowd the pan. If you put too many luchi in at once, the oil temperature will drop. And they won't puff up. Practice makes perfect. Don't be discouraged if your first few luchi don't puff up perfectly. Keep practicing, and you'll get the hang of it. Happy cooking!